for doing such good job shopping healthy. Let's pick a cupcake or a donut. I have an idea. How about we both get one? Let's take a cupcake and a donut. Let's put them right there. We'll save those for later. Good job. Okay, here we go. Let's check out. We need to purchase all these items. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, you need to scan them and then purchase them. Wow, that was so much fun going shopping with you. Wow, I love shopping for healthy things. What I'm doing is I'm making sure that it's eco-friendly with this eco checklist. Like right here, this is the brake disc. And there's no wheel and tire around it. Let's put one on. Ooh, so these are the lug nuts. Put them in my pocket. And then this. This is a wheel and a tire. Pretty heavy. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's line these bolts up with, there we go, perfect. And then let's take these lug nuts and let's put them on. Whoops, it fell down. Okay, let's turn this on, turn it clockwise, just like this. Okay, now that they're kind of tight, let's take the gun and do a star shape.